The best Motherboard VRM coolers reduce temperatures, improve power delivery, enhance system stability, support overclocking, and extend motherboard lifespan under heavy workloads. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboard VRM coolers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Be Quiet. Dark Rock 6 Air Cooler. This CPU air cooler delivers an excellent balance of cooling performance, silent operation, and premium build quality, making it a standout choice for gaming PCs and high-end workstations. The active mode switch is a practical feature, allowing users to prioritize either maximum cooling performance or ultra-quiet operation with complete fan stop below 40% PWM. Its 6 copper heat pipes and dense aluminum fin stack efficiently dissipate heat, while the ceramic particle coating further improves thermal transfer for consistently lower CPU temperatures. The Silent Wings 135mm PWM fan is exceptionally quiet thanks to its fluid dynamic bearing, optimized blade design, and smooth 6-pole motor, providing impressive airflow without distracting noise. The asymmetrical heatsink design offers excellent RAM and VRM cooler compatibility, eliminating clearance concerns even with tall memory modules. Installation is straightforward with the pre-installed mounting bridge and secure mounting system, while the magnetic top cover and sleek side panels give the cooler a refined, premium appearance. Overall, it's a superb cooling solution for enthusiasts seeking outstanding thermal performance with near-silent acoustics. Now our second product is Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE CPU Cooler. The Thermalright PA120 SE is an outstanding dual-tower CPU air cooler that delivers premium thermal performance at an impressive value. Backed by Thermalright's decades of experience in PC cooling, it combines 6 6mm AGHP copper heat pipes, a pure copper base, and a dense aluminum fin stack to efficiently handle high-performance processors. The AGHP technology minimizes the inverse gravity effect, ensuring consistent heat transfer regardless of the cooler's orientation. Its dual 120mm PWM fans generate up to 66.17 CFM of airflow while maintaining noise levels below 25.6 dB, providing excellent cooling without becoming distracting. The asymmetrical design leaves ample clearance for most RAM modules, making installation easier in performance-focused builds. Broad compatibility with Intel LGA 115X, 1200, 1700/17XX and AMD AM4/AM5 platforms adds flexibility for new and upgraded systems. With quality construction, reliable mounting hardware, and exceptional cooling efficiency, the PA120 SE is an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking quiet, dependable, and cost-effective CPU cooling. Our third product is Cooler Master Atmos 2360 VRM AIO CPU. This all-in-one liquid CPU cooler stands out with its innovative engineering, excellent thermal performance, and builder-friendly design. Its precision VRM cooling effectively lowers motherboard power delivery temperatures by up to 10.2 degrees Celsius, helping maintain stable performance during gaming, rendering, and other intensive workloads. The patented dual-chamber pump efficiently directs coolant towards CPU hot spots, making it an ideal cooling solution for demanding processors like AMD Ryzen 9 and Intel Core Ultra i9. Built from durable PPS and fiberglass materials, the pump is engineered for exceptional longevity, even under prolonged high-temperature operation. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the pre-installed ARGB fans, streamlined mounting hardware, and support for both AMD AM4/AM5 and Intel LGA 1700 of 1851 platforms. Thoughtful additions such as LGA 1851 offset brackets, internally routed cables, and a single cable fan connection create a cleaner, easier build. 2 magnetic top covers also let users customize the cooler's appearance. Overall, it's a premium AIO cooler that combines powerful cooling, quiet operation, reliability, and elegant cable management. Now number 4, Corsair Titan 360 RX LCD Liquid CPU Cooler. The Corsair IQ-Link AIO CPU cooler is a premium cooling solution that combines exceptional thermal performance with modern aesthetics and intelligent cable management. Its high-efficiency flow-drive cooling engine features a powerful three-phase pump and a precision-engineered cold plate, ensuring excellent heat transfer for demanding Intel and AMD processors. The standout 2.1-inch IPS LCD display adds a unique level of personalization, allowing you to monitor CPU temperatures or display custom GIFs, logos, and animations in vibrant 480 by 480 resolution. The ICUE Link ecosystem dramatically simplifies installation by connecting multiple components through a single hub, reducing cable clutter and creating a cleaner, more organized build. Pre-mounted RX RGB fans deliver strong airflow and static pressure, while magnetic dome bearings keep noise levels impressively low. Broad compatibility with Intel LGA 1851 and 1700 and AMD AM5/AM4 platforms makes it suitable for both new systems and upgrades. Overall, this cooler offers outstanding cooling efficiency, premium build quality, stunning visual customization, and one of the easiest installation experiences available today. And our last choice is Asus ROG Ryujin 3360 ARGB Extreme. This premium AIO liquid CPU cooler delivers exceptional cooling performance while combining advanced technology with impressive customization features. Powered by the latest Asetek EMA Gen 8 V2 pump with a high-efficiency three-phase motor, it provides increased coolant flow and reduced resistance for superior heat dissipation, making it an excellent choice for high-end gaming and workstation CPUs. The thickened ARGB fans generate strong airflow and static pressure while remaining impressively quiet, and their magnetic snap-together design makes installation faster and cleaner. A standout feature is the stunning 3.5-inch 640 by 480 LCD display, which can showcase custom animated GIFs or provide real-time system monitoring, including CPU temperature, clock speed, voltage, fan speed, and coolant flow. An integrated fan within the pump housing actively cools nearby motherboard VRMs, improving system stability during demanding workloads. Enhanced software support allows precise control of pump and fan speeds, while exclusive IDA64 ROG themes add premium visual flair. Overall, this cooler offers elite thermal performance, outstanding aesthetics, and exceptional user-friendly functionality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.